In recent times, when online threats are ever present and the value of your digital assets keeps on rising, it is absolutely crucial to make sure that your cryptocurrencies are always secure. Plus, securing your crypto is not something you can compromise on. One key aspect of ensuring the safety of your crypto assets is having a right hardware wallet. But it can be a bit overwhelming to choose one with numerous options available on the market, each with its own set of features. In this video, we are going to break things down so you can confidently choose the right hardware wallet that keeps your digital wealth safe and sound. What is a hardware wallet? A hardware wallet is a physical gadget just for storing the keys you need to handle your digital coins. Way safer than those computer wallets on a computer or phone, because hardware wallets keep those keys offline, away from online dangers like malwares, phishing attacks, and much more. This inherent isolation provides a robust layer of security, particularly when compared to paper wallets or other non-hardware wallet alternatives. How do you choose a right hardware wallet? When it comes to selecting the perfect hardware wallet for you, it's crucial to focus on the core features that ensure the safety and accessibility of your digital assets. PIN protection and passphrase options. A rock-solid PIN is your first line of defense against your crypto assets. Make sure your hardware wallet is rocking this feature, and for that extra layer of "ain't no hacking this," go for one that lets you use a passphrase. If you use it in a passphrase alongside the seed phrase, it is like adding an extra secret code on top. Even if someone gets their hands on your seed phrase, they are still logged out without that special passphrase. Trusted display and buttons. A reliable display ensures that users can review and double-check transaction summaries, verify information and addresses, and authenticate actions with a PIN or password. Plus, with those physical buttons, you get to confirm and give the green light to the transactions only when you are good and ready. It is like having your own double e-check system, making sure your transactions are safe and sound. Open source. When you're picking a hardware wallet, go for the one that is more transparent with its open source software. Why? Because it lets the community dig into the code, spot out any bugs, and show the maker's seriousness about security. Plus, these open source wallets get regular updates and improvements that keep rolling in for the long haul. In this context, Cypherock stands out as it is built on open source software. This seamless integration reinforces our dedication to transparency and aligns with the principles of open source. Compatibility with operating systems. Look for one that is not picky about operating systems. It should be compatible with various OS like Windows, macOS, and Linux. This way, no matter what device you are using, your hardware wallet is ready to sync up. Range of supported tokens. Now on to the main thing, the cryptocurrencies and the tokens it is willing to host. You want a hardware wallet that is not playing favorites. Check out its list of supported digital currencies. Bitcoin, obviously, Ethereum, sure thing. But what about the less mainstream ones? The more the merrier. A diverse range means you are not limited to just the big shots. You can diversify your crypto portfolio without switching wallets. In line with this flexibility, Cypherock supports a bunch of cryptocurrencies and tokens, giving you the freedom to manage your digital assets no matter how varied they are. Audit Assurance. When a wallet gets audited and scrutinized, it's like giving it a super strict security check to ensure that the wallet is legit, transparent, and trustworthy. If a wallet goes through this intense checkup, it is like getting a seal of approval that says, hey, your digital assets are in safe hands. It is basically the manufacturer's way of saying, we have got your back and we have fixed any potential weak spots. Speaking of such thorough security measures, Cypherock takes this commitment seriously by being audited by key labs and being scrutinized by wallet scrutiny, ensuring that our users can have complete confidence in the safety and integrity of their digital assets. Server-based authentication. Integrating server-based authentication into a hardware wallet adds an extra layer of security by verifying the integrity of the device's components. It involves the server communicating with the device during the booting process, and the device's response serves as confirmation that its components are secure. This approach prevents unauthorized access and protects against potential malicious alterations to the device. Tamper-proof. Make sure your hardware wallet has a tamper-proof design. This means that once it is set up and seals the deal with your seed phrase, it is resistant to tampering. So if anyone tries messing with it afterwards, there will be obvious signs like scratches, damages, providing clear alerts against any unauthorized access. Country of manufacturing. When you're thinking about picking up a crypto hardware wallet from a company that relies on a Chinese manufacturer, you've got to consider things like policy changes, government rules, data security concerns, and regulatory interventions. The crypto ban in China adds an extra layer of risk, making your assets susceptible to geopolitical pressures. However, when you opt for hardware wallets like Cypherock, which are fully made in India, you are free from those concerns and you get a crypto hardware solution that is both secure and dependable. Now that you know how to select a hardware wallet, your journey to securing a digital asset begins with informed choices. In safeguarding your crypto wealth, choose wisely and choose confidently, and choose a hardware wallet that aligns with the standards outlined in this comprehensive video. Having that said, Cypherock attests to all standards mentioned in this video. Our commitment to open source, universal compatibility, and rigorous audits positions us among the very best hardware wallets in the market. Choose Cypherock and ensure that your crypto wealth receives nothing but the highest level of security. You can learn more about Cypherock X1 from our website www.cypherock.com. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Cypherock's YouTube channel, and make sure you check out this playlist which has videos about wallet security. Until next time, signing off.